How to remove app from wishlist on Play Store. Hello guys, so on this video I'm going to show you how to remove app from wishlist on Play Store easy and fast. All what you have to do is simple. Go to Play Store. Now this is the home page. As you can see, go to the top and click on your profile picture like this. Now click on library, click on wishlist. As you can see, I have on my wishlist snapshot and I want to remove it. All what you have to do is click on it like this and go to the top corner and click remove from wishlist. As you can see, it's removing from wishlist. Very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.